Welcome back everyone to Wayne's Diecast. In this video we're going to have a look at this Schuco edition 118. It's a Unimog 406 metal and plastic parts. Very cool looking Unimog. Back of the box, got some additional picks there. And on the bottom we have a Schuco and some other information. Alright, is there any tape on this? No. Okay. Now at the time of recording this video I will have one of these for sale. Can't guarantee it's there by the time you watch this, but I do have one. Let's get this out somehow, like that. Still awkward. Well, that's hard to get out. Alrighty. Top there. Got some screws, so I'll cut the tape. And there. Alright. Very good. Now we've got some screws, base there, hopefully they're just Phillips head screws, hopefully. Not that one, oh, that one. What's going on there? Where's my torch? Doesn't feel like... You know, Phillips head, they're just obviously in there fairly tight. There we go. Alright, I'll just pause that in a moment and get it out of the box. Alright, they were a little tight. We'll get everything else out, put it back there. Yeah, there's nothing else, no. Right. Okay, oh, I've got that bit there, right. Sort all that rubbish here in a minute. And we have a little strap here. There we go, got rid of that. Wow, nice. Very nice. Yeah, it tilts up. Tailgate opens. Does it open all the way or? Moment, no, it doesn't. Okay. Righto. All right. Now, very nice. We have steering. First time I've had one of these, so Just checking it out myself here. So we've got a full die-cast chassis. Very nice, lots of details. A snorkel, windscreen wipers. How's it roll? Yeah, pretty good. All right, well, sorry, been a bit quiet there. I've just been looking myself, yep. Tyre off there a little bit. Fix that up. There we go. All right, so this is a Unimog 406. Not 100% sure what year. I was trying to look it up here. When did the Unimog start? I think it's 63. I think it was 63 to 94. I think the 406 series was around for. So I'm not exactly sure what year this one was. There's a couple of details like little vents on the side here and other things you can tell the difference, but I'm not too sort of worried about what year it is. It doesn't bother me too much. As far as I know, yep, the top comes off. And then doors, yeah, doors open. So there we go. So yeah, plenty of fine details. Very nice model, and we have all our levers in here, high, low, 4-drive. Yeah, the PTO drive and stuff like that. Does the wheel does turn just a little bit. No, those doors don't come off. I'll just leave that top off for the moment. So yeah, that bed does tilt. Yeah, very nice. Definitely liking that. Got the big winch on the front. PTO driven. Wonder if it shows. Yeah, no, it doesn't. No, it doesn't show where it's sort of driven there. This is underneath. So we've got our portal axles. Yeah, so there's a heap of detail underneath. Being black, it's hard to sort of see. Once you get one for yourself there, you'll be able to see underneath it a lot better. Our exhaust, muffler. There's no suspension on this one. Tyres are fairly accurate. But everything looks pretty good. Paintwork's good. Got our Unimog on the front here, Mercedes Benz logo there. That'll be obviously number plate. bumper on the front. So yeah, with snorkel, windscreen wipers are separate pieces. They look pretty good. Windscreen's nice and clear. Lensed indicator on the side there. We've got the headlight grills to protect them. Driver's door opens easily. So we've got some basic instruments, which is all it would have had. Got the doghouse cover. And then we've got a little step on the side there. You hard to sort of hold it really. So we'll step on the side there. Where's the other? Yeah, so it's down there. So that's, there we go. That's better. Yeah, so we can see our exhaust coming out there. It is hollowed with black at the end of it, which makes it look realistic. Got our steel wheels. And rear number plate with our brake lights and indicators there, which are lens pieces. They look very good. That'd be your PTO drive at the back. So under here we can see a panhard rod here. We've got the portal axle again, and I'd say they'd be just a reflector. So that tailgate doesn't, well, at least on this one anyway, it doesn't go all the way down, which a little disappointing. But yeah, that's not too bad. First 1/18 scale Unimog to the collection. So yeah, if you're a fan of Unimogs, definitely grab one. You won't be disappointed with the details. Let's stick that roof back on for a sec. There's just a couple of pins that it goes into. And then what do we do? Let's just sit in there. Sitting in there a second ago, why isn't it? Oh, okay, there we go. No? Right, there, yeah, okay, that's it, right. Got it now. Just my big shaky hands were making a mess of it, that's all, but... Yep, good, done, right. Yeah, very good, very good. Very happy with that one. Only problem is I'm definitely running out of room to display all these die-cast. I definitely need more room, more cabinets. I need a bigger house. Yeah, because I definitely won't stop collecting. Yeah, I just need a bigger house. So that's that. Wasn't the most informative review, sorry about that, people. But yeah, just been a bit off lately. I've had a bad back for a few months, and on some pretty heavy pain medication for it. Yeah, so it sort of slowed me down in doing things and my thinking capacity. But yeah, still, no, this is fantastic. I love it. There is another one that Schuco's done. They've done a few actually. I will try and get the other one. It's an earlier one. What one is it? It's the. It was the model before this anyway. So I want to try and get that as well. But again, I get distracted with so many other things. Yeah, all the shiny things distract me, and I lose track of what I actually wanted to get and just end up with all sorts of other stuff. All right, I'm going to end this video here. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out the other videos popping up, and we'll see you all on the next video. All right, bye for now.